So, great workout. One of the best, at least in my opinion, and I know the opinions of other great fitness, say fitness gurus, is the pull-ups. Right, pull-ups, great overall body workout. Really well for upper body, especially works the core, works the back, works the arms, works everything. It's such a great workout, and I think everybody should incorporate it into their workouts. But it is actually very hard, which is why it takes all these different muscles to get you going. And not everybody can do a pull-up right off the way. There are ways to progress it. Now, a pull-up over the hand grip, right? That's the important thing. You can change the grip a little bit depending on the wider the grip, the more the back involved. The narrower the grip, the more the arms are involved. Okay, so there's ways to also switch that. Then we got is the pull-up, which is the underhand grip. And that is a lot more bicep work. It's also great for the lats as well, but it also works the biceps a lot too, whereas this is less bicep, more lat, more back, more core. So, proper way to pull up or chin up. We're going to show both today. So, again, I find my grip, the best way to start is always you want to be even with your shoulders. I always think shoulder width is the best way to start. So I find my grip again. If you need to step up, that's fine. This is a little higher. If you could jump up to it, that's okay. I might need to jump up to this one, but I start with my hands shoulder width apart. And as I hang, I like to keep my legs bent behind my back. My elbows are a little bit bent. I'm going to bring myself up to the chest. I bring my chest up to the bar, and then release. I don't go all the way down. I don't want to lock my elbows out all the way. We come up again to the chest, and back down. Chest, back down. Chest, back down. Chest, back down. And you do as many as you can. If you could do 3, that's great. What you want to do, though, to kind of keep working at it, if you can only do 3, try to hang for a little longer. Pull yourself up. Again, you don't want to let the elbows lock. That's putting pressure on your joints. If I let my elbows lock all the way out, and then I reset from here again, I'm putting too much pressure on my joints. I don't want that. I want to keep the muscles activated the whole time too. So I don't go all the way to lockout, I go where there's a slight bend in it, and I pull myself back up. The next one we're going to do are the pull-ups. They're a little bit easier than the chin-ups because it's more arms involved than it is the back. So, again, wide-handed grip, you don't go too wide. Same thing, we go shoulder width apart. Going to come up to it, and from here, again, the legs come back, you pull yourself up. I like to come chest to the bar, and back down. Chest to the bar, back down. Chest to the bar, back down. Now what you see is you start seeing a lot of guys struggling, and they're trying to pull themselves up. They're putting a lot of extra pressure on them. Don't need to. You go as far as you can. If I'm here and I'm pulling up, struggling to get up, I'm putting more pressure than I need on myself. Pull yourself up to where you can, and back down. Up to where you can, and then back down. But the main part is you're trying to get your chest to touch the bar. I want to bring that bar right into my chest and lower myself back down.